Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact HelloFresh customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what you need to do is go ahead and open up your HelloFresh app on your device. Now from here you need to make sure to log in. Once you've logged in, you'll be brought to the main page here. Now from here you want to click onto profile, bottom right hand corner of the page. And then from here, scroll down and under support, it's got help center contact us. You can go ahead and click on contact us. Now let's give this a few moments to load. All right, so I've got a phone number here you can call. So you can give this phone number a call. You can click on here to ask a question, or you can chat directly with Freshly with their live chat here. And also, if you have a question, you can also check out their help center for a range of frequently asked questions. The content is always fresh.